Hi, this is Vikash again, and I'm creating this video to describe how the domain name registration process should work. If you go to flymail.com, you will see, let me go ahead and log in first. Okay, I'm already logged in, great. So you will see one of the headers is domain names. If you click on it, and click on search, you're just entering a domain name here, and let's just click on search. You will see that it's going to an old site design. It's flymail.com/register.php. Now I believe these results right here probably come from the check command. There's a check command for domain name registration, and also a name spinner command as well that produces, I believe, these results. So when you look for a domain name, when you search for a domain name, from the check command you get one set of results, and from the name spinner command you get another set of results. And I want the same thing programmed in the new site design. So if you go back to flymail.com, if you go to let's go back to my account. If you go to domain names, if you go to register, as you can see, this is the new site design. I don't want it to be jumbled like this, but it should be presented exactly like this, with a scroll bar over here. The design should match exactly. The check command likely produces this information, and the name spinner command produces this information, and then the user is able to select which domains they want to purchase. Now this is not programmed right now, this is just a visual. So basically what you want to do is use this old code from register.php and transfer it so that when we're over here and we enter a domain name, we should go to for instance, if I went over here and typed in here we go 123.com and clicked on search, this is still the old design. You're gonna see the old design pop up again, but instead of the old design we should see this page right here. Here we go 123.com is available. If it was not available, it would say not available, and then it would give you suggestions for different domains that you can purchase which are similar to this, well, your search. So let me go to api.enum.com, and then here's the domains. And so as you can see, there may be another command, say get name suggestions. That may be a command that needs to be used as well. I'm not sure if it's check command or this command, but it may be this one. And here's a check one. We may have to use check command, get name suggestions command, and also the purchase command, of course, and then the name spinner command. And you're probably gonna have to go through most of these just to see which ones need to be used. The purchase command will need to be used. Pre-configure will need to be used depending on the TLD that's being registered. Add bulk domains, yes, I believe that will need to be used as well, because we want to allow the ability for the user to add multiple domains to the order. So you will have to browse through this and check out the commands. For instance, if I select name spinner, you'll get all the parameters and everything that you need to use to code name spinner. And so if we went directly to, let's just say someone came directly to this page without entering a domain name, without searching for a domain name, if that was the case, then we would not see anything below this search box. All this should be empty if we came to this register page without searching for a domain. Then when we did enter a domain over here and clicked on search, that's when we would see this information right here. So unless you start from here and then search for a domain name, in that case we would see this page populated entirely, including the bottom part. But if we came directly to this page without searching for a domain, this should not be populated. Nothing below this search box should be populated. So I believe that's it. Basically, you're going to take the code from register.php and you're going to use it to register a domain name. And basically, when you're registering a domain name, you're purchasing a domain name. Now you can go in this old design and attempt to add domains to the registration, and you will see how the cart is being populated, the table cart, and other things. Also, if you look over here, you can see that you can change the manual renewal, and there's a pre-configure button. This will need to be programmed based on the TLD that you're registering. So some of the information may be required prior to being able to register a domain name. So whenever you go to register a domain, basically register.php, you will see the old design, and you will be able to use the old design and see what pages pop up over here and check the code for them in order for you to be able to transfer the code onto and make this 4-step process work. And that's about it. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you very much.